guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making egg, bacon and pancake sandwich. In a clean bowl, add a cup of your favorite pancake mix. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Could be any oil of your choice. Add 1 large egg and mix. Hi guys, if you're new around here, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe button. Go ahead and make your pancakes. I'll be using the MCM mini pancake maker to make my pancake. Open and flip the pancake. I'm going to make a second pancake. In a bowl, crack 2 large eggs. Add any spices or ingredients of your choice. Add a tablespoon of oil. And mix well. I will be making the egg the same way I made the pancakes. Everything is ready. It's time to serve. Yeah, it is, guys. Try it and let me know what you think in the comment box below. My kid loved it, my husband loved it, I personally loved it. Just let me know what you think and what I should make next. Thank you for the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.